thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantelle and today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. Because I've been in an exam period for the past 2 to 3 weeks or so, cleaning the apartment to its my usual standard has not been at the top of my priority list. I love watching these videos of like people tidying and cleaning. It's just so satisfying to see someone do that and think, oh, maybe I should do that, but yeah, so today we're actually gonna do it. So if this gives you any inspiration or even if it just makes you feel happy to watch someone else clean, that's all I can hope for, really. If you like this kind of video, I just hit my like clothes rack thing. It's literally right here. If you like this kind of video, hit the subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up so I know to do more, and let's get to it. Too much energy. The first thing that I like to do when I start cleaning in the apartment is to put music on. That way I've got something going in the background that'll motivate me and it'll keep me in a positive mood to keep going and to keep cleaning. And from here I like to get everything ready to do the washing. Because the washing always takes the longest, it's easiest to just get it done, out of the way, put it on so you don't have to worry. That way it'll wash, it'll dry and do everything it needs to do in its own time while you're cleaning everything else.
Stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it.
Here I'm just tipping everything out onto the floor to separate into towels, lights and darks. That way I can separate and organize how much I have of what and see which order I need to do things in.
Thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard.
What I'm doing here is just making sure that all of the Blu-rays are in a neat straight line at the front, and I'm just going through and I'm just dusting off everything in the little cubes. These tend to get really dusty. Like, they're really good for storage, but they do get very dusty very easily, and because dust obviously falls from top down, it's always best to go through, clean the top ones and everything, and then to go through and then just clean the bottom ones, because there's no point cleaning the bottom and then having to clean the top to then clean the bottoms again.
No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me.
Here I'm just cleaning the table and giving the table runner a shake off, because even though I've shaken it off onto the floor, it's going to get vacuumed up anyway. And I'm just cleaning these chairs here because of the construction next door. We have a lot of dust coming to the apartment.
Afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down.
Now, I don't know about you, but apart from the bedroom, cleaning the kitchen has to be one of the most satisfying things to come home to. Like, I feel, apart from the bed being made, if the kitchen is clean, I feel like you can just tackle anything in your day. Like, you come home and you can just do things. So here I am just struggling with our Tupperware cupboard because we have way too much, but that's okay. Tupperware is always the best thing to have. And I've just moved the monthly calendar that Andy and I have. We keep it on the bench to make sure that both of us know what's going on throughout the month, and it's just something that we can easily refer to when we're home. Instead of having to check our phones or our planners or anything like that, we can just have a quick glance of that and we know what's going on, and it helps us meal prep and everything along those lines.
It's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know.
This is honestly the best clothes rack that Andy and I have ever had. Andy's dad actually bought this for us as a moving out of home present, and I am so grateful because it just holds so much. It is fantastic, like the 3 tiers and the little parts out to the side to hold your shirts and stuff. Honestly, it is like my favorite thing. I love it so much.
Enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.
I'm just going through now and tidying up the study. There really wasn't too much for me to do in here because I am waiting for the opportunity to completely redo the study. Like, I want to rearrange things. I don't know how, but I want to, and I just want to completely make over that room. So at the moment I'm just kind of tidying it up because, I mean, look at that bookcase. That alone just gives me anxiety. But it'll be all rearranged soon, hopefully.
Know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down.
So cleaning the bathroom isn't always the most glamorous thing, but when it's clean, you just feel good. And one tip that I found as well when cleaning the toilet is that if you leave the toilet brush inside the toilet with the lid down on it to drain it off, that will help dry it, so then you don't put the toilet brush back into the holder completely wet.
That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you.
Here I am just taking out the rubbish because it is the final and last thing I like to do in the apartment, and yeah.
No, it's no more with
Okay, so the apartment is clean. Now, I didn't vacuum because that is one of my most hated things, and especially with the, I just hate vacuuming. I don't know what it is. It's just the cord and it's annoying and it gets caught on corners and it's a big bulky thing that just like rolls around. No. Cleaning the house with music and trying to get things done quickly always works up such a sweat. Like if you don't have time to go to the gym, clean your house. Clean your apartment because you will work up a sweat. Because I did. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know. No words, no more, no.